My name is Kate Kelsall and I'm the Marketing Coordinator for Q2Q. Recently we did some research with the Lancaster University Management School students on the use of data within SMEs. We sent out a questionnaire to businesses in the local area. We did some semi-structured interviews with some local companies as well, and also collected some secondary data. And we did this in order to aid the development of our dashboard tool, Q2Q Sophia. What we didn't realise is how shocking and interesting some of the results were going to be. So to start with an example, of the SMEs we surveyed, 100% used multiple sources for their management of their data. This statistic wasn't a surprise for us due to the amount of systems and software out there for data management, from CRM to accounting software. But what was surprising was that 95% of SMEs with 51 to 250 employees still use Excel as a data management tool, whilst only 18% use a dashboard system. Now, according to Economia research in 2015, errors in spreadsheets are often unspotted, meaning mistakes are difficult to recognise. Yet financial professionals are increasingly relying on spreadsheets for data management. This massively increases the risk for human error and often means that gathering data is really timely due to having to pull it and gather it from different sources. We noticed that this was a really common challenge when interviewing and also sending out our questionnaire to the SMEs. Having multiple data sources that do not talk to each other and matching and interpreting these sources between different departments were also really common challenges. From secondary research, Mund also points out that SMEs tend to take an unsystematic and reactive approach to data management, and we've also found this to be the case when talking with various MDs and CEOs. An example being preparing for a strategy session or board meeting, whereby gathering the data from these multiple sources to create visuals that you guys can understand and interpret often takes longer than the actual meeting itself. So with 100% of our surveyed SMEs using multiple data sources and only 60% using some sort of centralised dashboard, there clearly is a common problem. So if this sounds like your organisation, don't worry, we have a simple solution. At Q2Q, we have developed an extremely clever dashboard that will pull multiple pieces of data from your multiple data sources and bring them onto one centralised dashboard in a way that you will understand in order for you to understand exactly how your business is performing. Our dashboard, called Q2Q Sophia, will save you that time spent gathering and displaying data and perhaps even allow you to pull together data that could really open your eyes on certain areas of your business. Sophia isn't sector specific and we aren't industry experts, but what we are experts in is data and gathering otherwise disparate data together to provide more opportunity and connections above and beyond that of a typical dashboard. So if you are one of those organisations, one of those 95% of organisations that still manage their data on Excel, it's time to give us a call. Thank you for listening and thank you to the students of Lancaster University Management School, and I look forward to speaking with you again soon.